Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electrodrive News, your go-to source for all things electric vehicles in India. Today, we're talking about some of the best electric cars that are available under RS10 Lakh. And trust us, you won't want to miss this. So, if you've been considering making the switch to an electric vehicle, you're probably thinking, where do I start? Well, our friends at the Indian automotive industry have got you covered. With subsidies and incentives galore, it's never been a better time to jump on the EV bandwagon. And we've got the inside scoop on some of the most popular electric cars that fit within your budget. First up, we have the Tata Punch EV. Now, this little car is making waves in the market, and for good reason. With two battery pack options to choose from, a 25 kWh and a 35 kWh pack. You can get up to 265 kilometers of range with the smaller pack, or an impressive 365 kilometers with the bigger one. And the best part? The prices start at just Rs 9.99 Lakh. That's right, folks, this car is not only eco-friendly, but also wallet-friendly. But wait, there's more. We've got another electric car that's definitely worth considering, the Tata Tiago EV. Now, this one might seem like a slightly smaller sibling to the Punch EV, but trust us, it packs a punch. With two battery pack options as well, a 19.2 kWh and a 24 kWh pack, you can get up to 223 kilometers of range with the smaller pack, or an impressive 293 kilometers with the bigger one. And at a starting price of Rs 7.99 Lakh, it's definitely an affordable option. And then there's the MG Comet. Now, this little car is not only electric but also comes with a unique twist: you pay for what you use. Yes, you read that right, folks. With the MG Boss option, customers pay just Rs 2.5 per kilometer, making it the most affordable EV in India. That's right, you can get an electric car for under Rs 10 Lakh and still have some money left over. So, there you have it, our top picks for electric cars that fit within your budget. Whether you're looking for something compact like the Tata Tiago EV or something a bit more spacious like the Tata Punch EV, we've got you covered. And with all these options available, it's never been easier to make the switch to an electric vehicle. Thanks for tuning in to Electrodrive News, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on all things electric vehicles.